Making Poor Choices, a guide to understanding and avoidance. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language: making poor choices. Understanding this phrase is crucial, not just for language learning, but for life in general. We'll explore what it means, why people do it, and how we can make better decisions. So, let's get started. Making poor choices refers to the act of deciding or opting for something that is not beneficial and may lead to negative outcomes. These choices are often contrasted with making good choices, which lead to positive outcomes. Poor choices can affect various aspects of life, including health, relationships, finances, and personal growth. People make poor choices for a variety of reasons. Sometimes, it's due to a lack of information or understanding about the potential consequences. In other cases, emotions like anger, sadness, or even excessive happiness can cloud judgment. Peer pressure, the desire for instant gratification, and not thinking about the long-term effects are also significant factors. Understanding these reasons can help us be more mindful of our decision-making processes. Health. Choosing to eat unhealthy food regularly or avoiding exercise. Finances. Spending money impulsively on unnecessary items rather than saving or investing. Relationships. Ignoring important communication with friends or family, or not respecting others' boundaries. Career. Not putting effort into work or studies, leading to missed opportunities for growth. Making better choices involves awareness, education, and self-discipline. Here are some tips. Pause and reflect. Take a moment to think about the consequences of your choices. Seek information. Gather as much information as possible before making a decision. Consider long-term effects. Think about how your choice will affect your future. Learn from mistakes. Use past poor choices as learning opportunities for improvement. Making poor choices is a part of being human, but understanding why we make them and how to make better decisions can lead to a more fulfilling life. Remember, it's never too late to start making good choices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you on your journey to better decision-making. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.